Good morning. I decided to take a nice trip this morning to another side of Falls Lake that is over in Wake Forest near Raleigh. I'm at Upper Barton Creek at the boat ramp. Never been here before. It's nice and quiet. There are about, there's the parking lot. Came down. There were about a dozen boat trailers here, so people are out on the lake today. Upper Barton Creek is at the intersection of Highway 98 and Six Forks Road, so you can map that out. Come down here. I think, look at that, isn't that nice this morning? It's supposed to be about 70 degrees today here in Raleigh. Here in December, had to get out. Haven't been out in a long time. As I mentioned earlier in another video, I believe, but I'm going to in all the videos this winter, I'm not going to be traveling due to COVID. I know in North Carolina, as I speak, all 100 counties are code red for transmission rate of COVID, whether you're vaccinated or not. So I am not going to be going far from home. Just what I can do, road trips, and show you things to do if you're in central North Carolina. Let's go down here. I'll go down the boat ramp. Hope I don't fall in. Would that be something? It's pretty out here. I've never been here. Vulture efficacy program in progress. Okay, there are effigy program. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see. Swimming, sunbathing, or fishing prohibited from the docks. Okay. Falls Lake is our water source in Raleigh. It is huge. There are, I think it's 12,000 acres, something like that. Different access points. I'll show you different ones. I have a video of the Falls Dam on the other side, other side, about 5 miles. Here is this side. It's a calmer. This is nice. I think I'm going to sit out here. I've got my lounge chair. I think I'm just going to hang out today. Should have brought my lunch. The road right here is Six Forks Road. You're familiar with Six Forks in Raleigh? So it's at the corner of, well, intersection. It's in the middle of nowhere, so there's really no corner, of Highway 98 and Six Forks Road, Wake Forest, North Carolina. Let's see what's down this way. If you come in the summertime, this is my kind of weather. I'm more of a winter hiker. You can see more. There's supposed to be a trail somewhere that's a little over 2 miles. I know people hike all the time, and I don't know if they're just going through the parking lot or what, but people come out here to hike. I'm not going to do that today. In the summertime, it's full of boats, motorboats. A little bit noisy. Let's just enjoy this. I'm going to go see what the sign over here says. Been told I turned the camera too fast, but I'm trying not to. They do have, which is nice, bathroom facilities. It's always nice. You never know. You can stay longer. And they do allow fishing, not from the dock, but You got your boat, people come out here to fish. I'm assuming that's what all these boats out here today are. I do not see but one boat, so they've gone on around. I'm going to walk this way a little bit. There's a bulletin board over here. Let's see anything we can find out. I apologize for the quality of this. Anybody wants to donate a GoPro to me, I'll be glad to take. I had to buy a computer not long, well, about a month ago. I can't be buying all this stuff. See what's at this end. Here is the bulletin board. Here we go. Upper Barton's Creek Boating Access, 12900 Six Forks Road. Okay. Can be used for launching. Okay, you can take a picture of that. How to launch your boats. And they're doing vultures. There are vultures out there. I don't live too far from here. Okay. Alright, I'm going to give one more view of the lake and then I'll call it a day as far as the video goes. I'm going to hang out. I don't know if they'll mind if I hang out. Let me get over here. We got two launches, two boat launches. Like I said, the summertime is pretty much full. All kinds of boats come out here. And there's plenty of woods along the banks. If you don't have a boat, you just want to come sit by the water, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Want to walk your dogs, I think that's fine to do. Walk all through in here. Alright, well there you have it. Upper Barton's Creek, Falls Lake, 12900 Six Forks Road. Probably will have a Raleigh address if you want to look that up. Okay, until next time, happy trails.